Hey everybody, Michael here, just popping in for a couple of quick updates. Now the first one comes from Gajina here, and he stated that Luca Core is finished. From the PS2 emulator escape to chaining the Lua code execution with full primitives, and will prepare GitHub in a few days. Now, there is a video here, but I wanted to clear up a couple of quick things that I have been hearing. Now, the first thing is that when you hear that Lua Core is finished, basically this is stating that the Userland part of the jailbreak is finished, not the kernel part, which is the poopsploit. That part will be coming a little bit later on. Now, the very first thing that I've heard a couple of people wondering about is this name being Lua Core. Now, obviously, this isn't just Master Core. It's a little bit of a mix of Lua plus Master Core. Now, we can see that by a screen grab in the current video, where it states just right here that they are executing an init.lua script. So more than likely, we are all going to be able to send over Lua scripts when this project is complete. Now, the next thing that I wanted to talk about is that this is not referring to any of these remote Lua loader games that you could purchase here in the past. This is only going to be referring to the game Star Wars Racer Revenge. Now, I do know that that game is a lot of money, and I will say that I believe that we will be able to see other games working, such as Fahrenheit, and I really even think the Jack X Combat Racing. Now, somebody has to do it, and the developer has stated that they aren't interested in porting it to other games. Let's go ahead and review the video that was attached to the tweet. They are running OBS, it looks like in Linux here, and they have got the Star Wars Racer Revenge game running. And we can see they are about to go down to the Hall of Fame. And from here, they're going to go ahead and load it, mounting the save data for Lua transition. And there it goes. We can see Lua Core 1.0. And underneath the debug, it says it is executing the init.lua. And then debug says mounting save data at. And then in the middle of the screen here, we can see that they're on a PS5 on 6.02. And right there, it is listening on that port. So we'll continue the video here. Hello from remote Lua. So he sent over a payload, and there it is, successfully accepting it. And that is it for the video. Now, over here from Dr. Yin Yin, we can see that he stated Gajina's Luca Core Star Wars Userland exploit PS4 test. And here we can get a different view of that with an actual notification that is coming through. And obviously, this is one of the testers, because as you can see, this is running a different firmware version. They are also running this on the PlayStation 4, and they are listening on a different IP address. So it looks like the testers and all those involved is going to help us get a great jailbreak coming up in the future. Anyways, I just wanted to pop in with some of my quick thoughts on this. If you can, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Michael, out!